Hello and welcome back. Today we are bringing to you a very chic 3 BHK for a lovely family.
While designing this space, I had a very clear requirement from the client, which made it very easy to select the materials used all around the house.
There is not a one single place in this house which I bet you can take your eyes off. It's very difficult to choose one chic space, but my favorite would be a masterpiece, the Pooja unit.
And mine is the master bedroom wardrobes, as it adds a luxurious touch.
Please watch the entire video and leave in comments about your favorite chic space. Thank you.